Hi, and welcome to the garden. Can you believe it? It's the first day of summer. We're going to need to plant something. And right here in this corner, I think we're going to plant some carrots. And I'm going to show you how you can plant summertime carrots. This is easy. It's the best way to do it. You ready to plant some carrots? One of Riley's favorite foods is carrots. So we're going to go ahead and get some carrots in the ground. You're really going to want a piece of cardboard. I think we're going to plant this right here. So what we're going to want to do is just clear an area big enough for our cardboard. Just like everything else, we just take that mulch down to bare soil. Just look how nice and beautiful this soil is. And just dig into that. Squeezes together, but it breaks right apart. We got our worms. Thank you. Just need to open it up enough that your cardboard can sit on top of that. You can also use a piece of wood, works really well. Let's move this out just a little bit more. Okay, I got an area big enough my cardboard will fit on there. We're going to do the roost stout style. Baby worms everywhere. Okay, Roost Stout used to just sprinkle her seeds on top. And I know I'm planting these pretty heavy, but I also know that we have critters that like this stuff. And that way we all get to share a little bit. 'Cause I'm not putting any chemicals down. Ruth would just come by and pat them in. That way we got good soil contact. And this ground is good and moist. By using the cardboard, you get a nice little batch. And once you put your cardboard over your seeds, you want to go ahead and make sure you got a little mulch around the edges. That way if the wind picks up, it's not going to blow it away. But you can do this too. And these are the carrots that we planted in December. We went ahead and let them go to seed. As soon as these finish flowering out, we'll go ahead and collect these seeds, and then we'll have this area to plant. Sure. I don't know if that's butternut or not, but that's not the only one. Tip of this busted off in that storm on Sunday. But we've got two, and I may have to cradle this. I'm gonna have to figure out some other way to hold this up. If you know what this is, leave a comment down below. Well, this is what makes it fun. Not quite ready to come in. That one's almost ready. Oh, this one's almost a perfect size too. Boy, Riley and I would like to thank you for stopping by the garden and helping us get some of his favorite vegetables in the ground. We better get back to the house before he gets too overheated. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.